So, see this tree? It has been a while since I've done this, where I destroyed a tree in such amount of seconds. Well, I'm going to do a 2016 edition of it. So, here's what we are going to do. As you recall with the rules in previous versions, I will yoink the top of the tree off, and when I do that, the clock begins. Now, I might do some additional horsing around and so on and so forth like before, and that does not get included as part of the time for how long it takes me to destroy the tree. So, here we go. Let me get it in position. Yes. Wah gang gang gang, wah goo ga goo ga ging gang. The end.